Hi guys, so this is my first time trying this Nudestix Mini. It's called the Nude Skin Eyes and Face Lips. It's a $25 value. So this is the outer packaging, and this is the packaging for this 3 Nudestix products. And in here you got Eye Sun Kiss, Face Hey Honey, Lips Sweet Peach Peony, and those are the names right there, and these are the information in the back. And so this is my first time trying Nudestix, so I'm really excited. I don't have any blush in my face or any bronzer or a highlighter. So anyway, let's go ahead and check this out. This is available in Sephora, so if you want to buy this mini products, it's available there. And also this is available at nudestix.com. So this is the size of it. So let's go ahead and try the bronzer, which is the... So Nudestix is good for your everywhere, I guess, lips, face, and eyes. And this one, all over face color. This one looks like a bronzer to me. And this is called the Hey Honey, which is probably the face, which is probably the bronzer. Okay, so let's see how this goes on my face. Oh, okay, so this is kind of like this might be a highlighter, but this one kind of like has a tan color, like a skin tone color. So anyway, let's just go ahead and try it that way. Just try this since this is the one I picked first. Okay, so this is definitely a highlighter. It's kind of sheer, and it's kind of gives you a little glow, but not like a bling bling glow. So this is the swatching right there, and then the eyes, the Sun Kiss. Okay, so this is what it looks like for the Sun Kiss. It looks really pretty, and you could use this for a blush too. And this is the swatching right there. And so I don't have anything on my eyes. It doesn't have a smell to it. This is good for people who are just like minimalistic and want to go faster than 10 minutes. Clean too, clean beauty. Pretty, I like it. I kind of include my brows. It looks like a flush on my lid, so it's really pretty. Okay, so the last one would be this Sweet Peach for the lips, and I don't have anything on my lips. I have lip balm, so I can probably do this straight. Okay, so this is the color of this, and this is what it looks like. It's kind of like a pale pink, and it's matte. Ooh, it's kind of like nude. Not my favorite. They kind of show my cracks and stuff, but this is just way too nude for me. Okay, I'm gonna use this as a blush. You can use this product any way you want. Eyes, lips, face. So, ooh, the lips I don't like. I'm gonna take that off because I don't like it. Just took the color of my lips because it's kind of ugly. Okay, so I'm gonna use this for my lips instead, the Sun Kiss. That's pretty. Gonna add some more blush real quick. These three products are kind of fun to, you know, try. And also it's kind of nice to know how I feel about Nudestix in general. And I'm definitely loving these products because it's very light and it's kind of like fast products that, you know, like you just, if you want to just go put colors in your face, you can just go ahead and, you know, pop this, or even just one of this, you can just put it in your eyes and your lips and you're good to go. And I love him so far, and this is only $25 and I love it. It's really good quality, I think, and it doesn't have a smell to it. And also in the tin you got a mirror right here, so that's not bad because you can actually use this to go and put this in your purse, and you have like a lipstick box right here, or a tin where you can put everything, your lipstick or whatever, this mini stuff. And then you have a mirror too. So it's called the Nude Skin Eyes and Face Lips, and this is how it looks like. I hope you enjoy this and find this helpful. And if you are interested in this product, this is available at Sephora. This is where I got this, but you can also go to nudestix.com. I'm not really sure if this product's still there, but I'm pretty sure it's still there because it's always there. So anyway, I will see you again in my next video, and thank you guys for watching and stopping by.